Well, what about childcare in community groups? Well, groups that are orange, they're already incorporating children throughout the group, so that's not a necessary option for them. But for other groups that are not orange, what should they do? Well, we really encourage our groups to create childcare options whenever possible. One option is this. Maybe take the first 30 minutes of your group and include children of all ages during that time. During a welcome time, maybe you're enjoying food or a snack together. Do some kind of an icebreaker that will incorporate the children of all ages as well as the adults together. And then you can offer a brief family-led activity that relates to a particular biblical topic. Maybe it's something the adults are going to be studying as well. But it's a chance to incorporate that time of teaching and relating with the children. Then you can take the remainder of the time, 50 minutes or so, to be grown-up time to cover the adult topic that you're planning to do. Or adults can connect in prayer or worship, however they want to use that adult time while the children are in their childcare area of the home. Another option is this. You can determine in advance that certain weeks of your community group will simply be grown-ups only. Either people can take care of childcare themselves as families, or you may decide to rotate childcare among the members of the group. As always, we encourage that at least 2 adults are in the room wherever childcare is being offered. Sometimes it's good if that's not a husband and wife, just so it's not necessarily 2 members of the same family that are doing childcare together. It's just an added level of protection. Another option for that is to do paid childcare for those nights that are going to be grown-ups only. So perhaps the whole group goes together, or maybe just the group members that have children in the group. They decide to pay for 2 people to watch the children in another part of the home during that group meeting. One other option that folks have been using for those childcare nights is this. Groups will divide between men and women. And so, for example, the first hour, the men are with the children while the women have their small group time. And then they flip-flop it. In the second hour, the women are with the children while the men have their small group time. There are lots of options for offering childcare alternatives during our community groups.